We started our journey with HelloFresh about 2.5 years ago.
We've been customers of HelloFresh for about 3 years and we enjoy it very much.
You guys have really changed my life.
HelloFresh has changed my life.
We've seen some pretty big improvements.
I would just eat junk.
If I didn't have HelloFresh, I would probably eat a lot of ramen noodles.
Combined, my husband and I have lost a total of 50 pounds.
I never would have prepared anything like this.
Simpler, easier, healthy.
Ingredients are always fresh.
Portion control, no food waste, all good things.
We just love the food.
So I am making the chicken sausages or risotto, and what I love about HelloFresh is that everything's really easy to use.
The value and convenience of having the meals delivered and the variety of the menus is great.
Saves me a lot of time and money.
I can depend on it every single Monday.
HelloFresh has introduced us to a lot of ingredients and cooking techniques that we would not have ever tried.
Thank you so much from our family to yours.